So what is a takeaway close and how can you use a takeaway close to increase your sales? Essentially, a takeaway close is when you take something away from your clients. People want what they can't have or what other people want. And this isn't just in sales, this is for everything, even relationships. You know, you might have a crush on this one girl or this one boy that you really want, and they're not giving you the time of day. That's kind of a takeaway, you want them more. And I can hear some of you right now saying something like, no, Paul, if I can't have her, I don't care, I don't want her anymore, I lose interest. You want her even more. See, you're saying that because you want her, and that's your ego or defense mechanism kicking in. If he or she walked up to you right now and kissed you, your heart would beat fast, you'd fall on your knees, and you would melt for them. Anyway, a takeaway close is when you take something away from your client. You're showing them that they can't have it. So if I was selling you a $5 pen or a $20 pen, you would probably go for the $5 pen. Just simply because you think to yourself that it can do the same sort of thing, why pay $20 for it? But if I pulled out a $60 pen, now the $20 pen looks like a better deal, better value, and the $5 pen looks too cheap, if that makes sense. It's just how justification psychology works. Now, if I told you that this $60 pen is very rare, there's only 100 or 1,000 made around the world, and you'll be part of an exclusive club, you'd probably go for the $60 pen because it's just worth more. It's something that others can't have. By the way, this is a $500 Mont Blanc. Don't get caught up in the details. I'm just giving you an example. If you want me to sell you a pen, if you want me to literally sell you a pen, then watch this video right here. Or if you want to learn more about takeaways and scarcity closes, watch this video right here. I'm Paul Democritou, and until next time, keep succeeding.